Hi guys, my name is Sebastian and I'm going to show you on this video how to disable shadows in Blender. Right now I am using the 2.8 version, but I know that it's the same with the 2.9 and 2.7, so if you have any trouble with that, please let me know. Okay, first we are going to check which engine is selected right now, and to do that we are going to render properties. Then we can see that Eevee in this case is selected. Okay, we're going to select the object that we're going to work with, and then we go to material properties. Okay, we scroll here till we can find settings, and we change the shadow mode to none. Alright, there we go. So now we can see that the shadow is disabled. Okay, we're going to leave it the way it was. Now we're going again render settings, and we change the render engine to Cycles. Okay, so this time we are not going to the material property, but we are going to the object property. Then we are going to scroll again to ray visibility, and here we are going to disable the shadow option. Okay, there we go. Now we can see that the shadow was disabled here too. This is very useful for images with transparency. And let us try to import a plain image just to give you an example. Okay, I'm going to select this one. There we go. So as we can see, we're going to change to Eevee again. As we can see, it has a very strange shadow. So now we're going to disable this shadow. Okay, same thing that we did with the Eevee engine, and there we go, it is disabled now. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. If you find this useful, like this video and press the subscribe button. Thank you again, and see you around.